Hi, for this video, I'm going to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, all in a total of 7 days. I'm so new to everything here, just moving it around. I've seen people do it, and sometimes I wonder how they're able to do it. It seems so easy when they do it, but when I grab it and I try to move it around, it fascinates my mind how they're able to solve the cube. It is day 2, and I did watch a few videos. It's very hard to keep it in my head, but I think what I'm supposed to do in the first try is to complete a daisy. So I'll go ahead and do that. Oh, great. Uh, yeah. Wow. Great. I think I did it. Daisy. It is quite easy, but so I think I got lucky too, if I had to be honest. It was just luck. It is day 3, and I've improved quite a little bit, but I'm going to try my best. Yesterday I completed the daisy, and today I'm going to complete these edges, trying to replace it with the white to solve the white. I think edges or corners. I forgot the names already. It's so hard to keep it straight in my head, but yeah, let me start. Great, first one done. Running with the second one. Sometimes you get lucky with the Rubik's Cube. It's probably part of it somehow. I have completed it, and yeah, I've completed the white edges. Now I'm going to try to move on to the next step, and hopefully I get it correct. The next step is I don't know. I'll try to do something. Try to proceed to the next step. I feel like I messed up with the whole edges. Actually, I feel like I just messed up. It's so frustrating. It makes me want to just give up on the Rubik's Cube. It's just so frustrating. It is day 4, and from yesterday I messed up big time. The edges, alongside with the third layer, I think I messed it all up completely from scratch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start all over from scratch and work my way up to solving this part. Can you guys see it? Right there, the first one. Yeah, this part. I went on YouTube and I tried to find how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Then I bumped into this YouTuber. The channel name is The Cubicle, so credits to the Cubicle. He broke down step by step, and I truly enjoyed the explanation. Yeah, I was able to do it. Sorry for my camera quality, it is so terrible. But yeah, I was able to do it. So that is day 4, and I'm not the best of Rubik Cube solver, but I'm not that bad either. Hey guys, so it is day 5, and the days keeps going by, and I feel like I've improved a bit. It's like the more you do it, the more like you keep shuffling around, you get a bit better and a bit confident somehow. From day 1, I was so confused, but it's going a bit better. So now I'm going to solve the second part of it, and and hopefully I can proceed onwards. I feel like if I go step by step, it becomes easier. But when I try to do it all at once, I might just end up making a mistake. So yeah, let me do it. Great. I have done this part, and that is the easiest part. Like the first one and the second one, that is easy. I'm now remaining with, I think that's the third layer and the second layer. That is the difficult part. Now I'm left with the final part, which is the first layer. And what has been helping me is the right algorithm and the left algorithms. R U R prime U prime and L prime U prime L U. It becomes easier when I just shuffle it around knowing the algorithms. Makes me seem like a genius, but it's very hard. Now this is the hardest part of it, which I'm not confident a lot in my abilities, but I'm going to try my best to do it. This is day 5. I'm running just 2 days, and I have to do something. All right. So if I remember, here's an angle, and we have an angle. I think it's f prime, and something like f prime. I forgot. F prime.
This is when I
F prime.
realized it's not just about the cube, it's about learning
Um,
to finish something
Great.
I
I'm
start.
lost. I need to go back and watch a few couple of videos. I'm lost. Oh my god, it is so mind-boggling now. It's like I just want to give up with the video. It's so hard. The easiest part was done. I'm now remaining with the hard part. From yesterday, I almost solved it. We are in day 6 today. I'm left with just one more day. I almost solved it, then I messed up the final part, which was the upper part of it, of the Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to start all over again from today and work my way up to solving the Rubik's Cube. Okay. Alright, day 6 was not my day. Actually, I feel like I had it. When you reach the final step, I think it's the righty alg, the lefty alg, and then the righty alg 5 times, and the lefty alg 5 times. But I overdid the righty alg, the right algorithms, to be specific. I overdid. I think I did it 6 times or maybe 7 times, and it cost me big time. Yeah, I feel like that was my only error. So I need to save it my best. I need to save my best for tomorrow. Hey guys, it is day 7. It is the final day, and I'm not going to let this Rubik's Cube defeat me. This is from yesterday. You can see some parts of it is like partially solved. But yeah, I am going to defeat this Rubik's Cube today. I'm just shuffling it right now.
I have failed too many things in life already, so I wasn't letting the cube beat me too. I put all my strength and effort into it.
After 7 painful days, look what I have here. I solved Rubik's Cube. And this just solving the Rubik's Cube, and I would like to make like a reference to it. In life, every time you put your mind towards something, you shouldn't always just give up. Sometimes you begin, you struggle, but at the end, once you commit yourself to it, you put your mind to it, you find out that you can finally obtain something or even benefit, like just like I did with solving the Rubik's Cube. If I just gave up for maybe day 1 or maybe day 2, that would have been over for me. I would have probably never learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube. But I kept showing up. I kept watching videos, for help, and eventually I was able to solve it. So if you feel like you want to come back journey as I am, then subscribe and also leave an emoji in the comment section.